Heat treating aluminum products involves controlled heating and cooling of aluminum products to enhance their mechanical properties. Aluminum is one of the most versatile and widely used metals in the world, finding its way into applications ranging from aerospace components to everyday beverage cans. Heat-treating aluminum can improve its mechanical properties, such as strength, durability, and performance. The processes involved in heat treatment of aluminum products include solution heat treating, quenching, and aging. Solution heat treating is the process of heating the aluminum product to a specific temperature at controlled conditions to increase its strength. The process is carried out in batch ovens, continuous ovens, and drop-bottom ovens. Quenching is the process of quickly cooling the heated aluminum product in a quench tank by immersing it into quench media such as polymer, water, or forced air. This helps lock the alloying elements in a solid solution and retain its strength and stability. Aging is the process of holding the quenched aluminum product at a moderate temperature to allow fine particles, which are also called precipitates, to form within the metal. This process enhances strength and hardness. Each heat treatment process is carefully chosen to achieve specific changes in the aluminum product.